Hello guys, welcome back to this series on C++ program. This video is a C++ environment setup. We will install together the dev C++. So let's start. So let's write on Google install dev C++. We choose the first link. And after we have download. We click on the downloaded file. So we will wait while the setup is loading. Please select the language. Here there is a lot of language. Let's select English. Okay. Now here we have to agree all the agreement to install dev C++. I agree. Here all the details must be checked. Just here we uncheck the remove our old configuration file. We have next, and after here we choose where we want to install the dev C++, the location, install, and we will wait for the installation until it will be finished. So the installation is finished now. We will just click on finish, and now we can use the dev C++ program. So thank you so much for listening to this video, and in the next video we will start coding C++ by using dev C++ program. So thank you so much and see you in the next video.